welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Myeshia Shantal. If you're new and you want to be a part of the family and the crew, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and also turn on your post notifications. But if you're returning, thank you so much for your unconditional support, because you truly are a real one. So today's video is going to be about this big old Amazon Prime package that I got. In one of my recent videos, if you watched it, you will know that I am actually starting my own cosmetic line, which is going to include lip gloss, lip scrubs, and lip oils for the time being. Of course, I'm going to venture out into new things, but for right now, I'm just going to stick to those. I'm going to stick to those three. And I will be launching, it's not even up yet, but my launch date is December the 23rd of this year at 9 a.m. And so follow my business Instagram. I will have it in the description below, so you guys make sure you go follow that. Unboxing of some new inventory and the things or items that you need to start your own cosmetic line. So let's just get into it. So let's see what we got in this big old box. Oh gosh. And I ordered this like on Thursday. Amazon Prime, baby. And if you're a student, you get Amazon Prime like free for a year or something like that, or it's something like that. Let's see. I'm so glad it came because I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I ordered oh, okay. I was about to say, are you kidding? Okay, so I ordered some of the squeeze tubes. They came in a separate, I'm so happy these came in separate packs, like literally, because I was about to be like, what the hell. So these are the stoppers that go in the tubes. These are the lids of the tubes, and these are actually the tubes itself. And it was 80 tubes. They were maybe, if I'm not mistaken, $8. Where's my phone? Let me pull this up for y'all so I can give y'all the correct numbers. I spent roughly $47 on all this stuff. That's a steal. Okay, so I lied. These are not $7. These with the stoppers and the tubes and the caps, they were actually $11.98. And I'm gonna see if $11.98, and it's 80 of them. Of course, I'm gonna count them just to make sure it's 80, but I'm pretty sure it's 80. The next one I got is, so you definitely need squeeze tubes for your business. Another definitely is these bubble mellow wrappers. These, yep, it's 50 in these, and they're 6x9. These are really big. Like, they're really big. I wasn't expecting them to be this big, but it's 50 of them, and these were $14.85 for 50. Here you go, $14.85. Come on, focus the light. Yes, so you will definitely need bubble mailers when you put your products in to send them out to people, so that's a must. And then here is, this was like, I got 4 small syringes. I have 2 big ones already, but these 4 small ones, it's when I'm making the squeeze tube lip glosses, just want to have a variety, and these will probably work really well. So, and it's 4 of them that came in the pack, and they were, let's see, they were $6.99. $6.99. It's lighting, it takes forever. And then another thing that you must have is makeup hider. Mika, I don't know how to pronounce that word correctly, and I don't know how to open. Oh, and I got these, which is 50 different ones. Let's see, focus. 50 different colors, and these are huge. Here's like one, and they were 11, 12. They were $13.99 on Amazon. And it's so many different shades. I am, even they got a glitter one. I am so ready to use this. So yes, so those are a must. All that is a necessity. And of course you need your this is just an example. This is the Versagel. This is the 5.5 ounces. You need Versagel for your base. I use this is pure and natural. This is what I use. It's fractionated coconut oil. It's clear, so it doesn't leave like a yellow stain or anything, because I know with my clear lip gloss Chanel, I don't want it to look yellow. I want it to look completely clear in the bottle. So you can get this at Walmart. It was like $13 honestly, but it's natural, so, and organic. And then I have some more pipettes somewhere, but you need pipettes to start your business. And then this smells straight like vanilla. And then you need some flavoring oil. Yeah, well, here's it's strawberry strawberry and vanilla flavoring oil. You can get I got the flavoring oil and then the sweet almond oil. I got it from is it, let me make sure I'm saying this right, TKB Trading. And so, and then I got me some more, well, I got this at first. This is some sample of that you can put in your lip gloss to give it some color. Honestly, I really don't like the Vivid Rose sample. It doesn't give me the type of pink I like. More so these instead gives me the type of pink that I like. So I will be using that and changing my lip gloss, whatever. And then you need some, of course you need gloves, which I don't have any right now. I ran out. I have to go to the store. And then you just need you some containers. Yeah, and then lastly, what you need, of course you need some wand tubes. And you need, if you're going to be shipping from home like I am, like with my, that's why I got the mailers. If you want to have all your stuff all ready together by the time you get to the post office or UPS or FedEx or wherever you're sending, make sure you just go to Walmart to get some of those printing labels out. That's already like only thing you have to do is put it in a system or something like that. I don't know exactly because I haven't had to do that right now because I'm still getting everything together. Yeah, and they were at Walmart for like $5 for a 20 pack. I don't know, something roughly. They're over there. I don't feel like getting them, but yes, those are all the necessity items that you need to start your cosmetic line. And thank you for tuning in to me unboxing some new inventory. And when I get some more inventory with my new wand tubes, I will show you guys. Alrighty, thank you guys for tuning in again. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, like this video, comment below, and also tell me what you guys think. I want to hear your input. See you guys soon.